ZANU-PF announces that breaking loss of Chamisa Mnangagwa. Zimbabwe has been shaken by sad news after ZANU-PF officially announced the untimely passing of Chamisa Mnangagwa, the beloved niece of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Everyone saw the pictures, everyone saw the funeral proceedings, the burial in Mashingo. ZANU-PF mourns the passing of Chamisa Mnangagwa. Do subscribe or like out on the bell icon. In a statement signed by ZANU-PF Secretary General Advocate Jacob Mutenda, the ruling party expressed profound sorrow and deep sadness over the tragic loss, extending heartfelt condolences to President Mnangagwa, the first family, and the entire Mnangagwa family. The party described Chamisa as a cherished daughter, niece, and member of the national family, saying it stands in solidarity with the president during this difficult period of grief. ZANU-PF also called on Zimbabweans to keep their bereaved family and their prayers as they mourn their beloved one. The announcement inspired an outpouring of condolences from across the country, with the many expressing sympathy to the first family during this painful time. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Doma developments are good abangwa inoi. I took on out this statement. Roya bangwa inoi. Raga publishwa in the ruling party ZANU-PF Information and Publicity Department. Bangwa ino. Doma developments article. Bangwa inoi. Pinam comment section. Meri mbodi zama from the enyu. Want to be able to get this update. So subscribe or like. Want you to turn on the bell icon.